In this video, we will learn, we will see, we will discuss some important single key shortcut keys that you can use in Canva when you are designing, something in Canva. So you can use, as you can see, I started a blank document in Canva, and you can see if I press R. So if we press only R, so you can see the rectangle shape we can create, and we can now resize it, and we can change the color. All other settings we can change. So only single R we can use to create a rectangle shape. Then next, if we press C, so you can see this will create a circle. So circle, now you can see proportionally we can change the size, we can change the color and all other settings related to this circle. So circle we can use C. And now these two were for shapes, and now for instance if you want to start typing text, so we can press T. So you can see your paragraph text is here, and we can type here like but IT Institute. So see how easily we can type. Then we can change the font size and font style and all other things we can change related to this text. So text we can start with T. And the last one for this video, you can use L. L if you want to create a line. So now you can see line is here, and we can see the size we can change, and all other settings of this line we can also change, like line color and all other settings. So these are the 4 important single key shortcut keys you can use in Canva to speed up your work, and this will save a lot of your time. So thank you so much for watching this video. So we will share more tips in upcoming videos, and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much once again.